Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by enabling the Gmail API and creating OAuth 2. 0 credentials. This gives you a credentials JSON file. Install the client libraries with pip and place credentials JSON next to your script. Once done, write an OAuth flow using Google AuthOAuthLib to produce token JSON so you don't reauthorize repeatedly. Make sure to request the least privilege scopes you need, for example, Gmail read-only or Gmail send. This first action gets you authenticated and ready to call the API. You now construct a service with build, Gmail v1, credentials equals creds, and test a simple list call to verify access. When sending, create a MIME message, then encode its bytes with base 64. URLsafe B64 encode and set the raw field. The API expects that format. For reading, paginate with users, messages, list, and fetch full payloads with users, messages, get ID equals. Once you can list, get, and send, add proper error handling and exponential backoff for quota and transient failures. You finish by persisting tokens and coding automatic refresh so your app stays authorized without user prompts. If you need server-to-server access, set up a service account with domain-wide delegation and impersonate users, otherwise keep OAuth consent minimal. Validate permissions by checking the authorized scopes and test with both small and large payloads. If things go wrong, log request/response bodies and status codes. One key troubleshooting tip is to inspect the raw API error and retry with exponential backoff for
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.